Okay, today I am replacing the Airmatic Struts W211 E55 AMG, and you got to get this. What are you laughing at, Jim? You got to get this electrical connector off right there, and to do it, you have to first remove the bracket. God, it doesn't want to focus. Sorry.
No, because you're taking your hand.
Okay, to do it, you want to first remove the bracket for the car, right? And a lot of people I've seen on YouTube do this and they break it. I want to show you how to do it not breaking it. So my daughter's here. Gemma, hold the camera. You're still recording?
Yes.
Okay, hold it up to here so you can watch what I do. Okay, first of all, you're going to get this small screwdriver. I think it's a, yeah, it's a 1/8, right? And that's going to go in there, right? And then what you do is you take this and you push it. Damn. You push it up. And then you use this, you got to keep pushing it with your thumb, and then you get it out that way. Right? And that's how you do it. I hope we got that. Okay, once you've done that, you can go to the back here, the back of the bracket. Let me see the phone, honey. If you see right here back there, if you can see that, way back there, see that little slot right there? That right when you put it back, it slots into that. All right, so the next thing to do is I'm going to show you how to remove the plug. I don't know what all this stuff is.
Thank you.
Hey, while you're back here somewhere, there's a filter for your air compressor. I'm going to try and replace that later, but that's a different story. All right, so you go back here and you twist this bracket until you see that. All right, you have to, okay, hold this, honey.
Where?
And then I want you to record.
Where your hands are?
Yeah, where my hands are.
Up close or just here?
Damn it. Right here. All right, you see this? See the head of the screwdriver? You got it, Gemma?
Kinda. There you go.
Okay, you got to click in here, force it up, and then you can, once you've got that pushed up, you can pull it off. So that's the second tip. Now then, once you've done that, you've got this thing right here.
Dad,
Yeah.
do you do the same thing with the other ones?
Nah, on the other side, yeah.
Okay.
So if you look down in here, sorry about this. Right there, you got a little tap. So hold on, let me pause it. Okay, come here, Gemma.
Okay.
All right, hold the camera. Now, okay, so getting back to this, right? Can you get in this, Gemma? Down in here, I'm going to take a pick. Right in here, you got to kind of push this over, like there's a little tab in there. You push it over, and then once you push it over, you can unconnect it like that. All right. All right. So that's how to do this without breaking the bracket and how to get the electrical clamp off. I hope this helps you people. All right. Take care. Be safe.